tomorrow will be better. A tap which flows at a rate of 5 liters per minute is used to fill a cuboid of dimensions this. Find the time it takes to fill the cuboid. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. We're talking about flow rates here. Just to remind you that each time you hear about rates in physics and even in the English language, we're talking about something with reference to time. We are comparing the rate at which, or rather the frequency at which something happens with respect to time. In this particular case, we're talking about a certain volume per unit time. All right, so it's a flow rate. Now, this is the idea behind this question. We have a flow rate which is a volume per a certain unit time. We want to find how much time it will take to fill up another volume. The simplest thing to do here is to divide this other volume by the flow rate. In this way, you notice that V will cancel V, and if you do your mathematics, your arithmetic correctly, this is going to come up here and then we'll be left with a certain time. All right, so the whole idea here is to get the total volume which we are targeting to fill. When we get it, we divide it by the volume flow rate, and then it's done. So let's start by calculating the total volume which we are targeting to fill. So what is the volume of this cuboid? Volume of the cuboid will be equal to 1.5 times 2 and then times 0.4. And if you correctly punch this, we should have 1.2 meters cubed. Now watch out for the units. They have to be consistent. The flow rate has been given in liters per minute. So we have to change this quantity here to liters. Alright, and we know that 1 meters cube equals 1000 liters. So to convert 1.2 meters cube to liters, we will just multiply this by 1000 and it's going to give us 1200 liters. We will do what I just said a while ago, dividing this total volume by the flow rate. Therefore, the time it takes is going to be given by this total volume which we have to fill divided by the flow rate, which is 5 liters. And if you do it correctly, we should be at 240 minutes. All right, and you can always convert this to seconds or to hours. It's up to you, because we just want the units to be consistent. Here it's in liters per minute, so that's why I leave it here in minutes. And this is how simple it is. Tomorrow will be better.